how to save and apply 3D motions in Cartoon Animator. We already have our character and iClone in the default T-pose. This is the ideal starting position before creating any custom animation. Next, let's apply the animation to our character. Now let's save this animation to the content browser so it can be accessed directly from Cartoon Animator whenever we need it. With Cartoon Animator open, simply drag your character into the viewport and get it ready for animation. In the content browser, navigate to the folder where you save the motion in iClone. Simply drag the motion onto your character, and the Import 3D Motion window will appear. You can quickly check the animation in the preview panel to make sure it's the correct motion. Adjust the bone's positions with 2D Motion Key Editor, if necessary. To make the animation feel more alive, let's add facial expressions and eye blinks with Face Puppet. For more control over the character's emotions, use the Face Key Editor to modify or add expression presets. That's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.